this episode of Mommy SeaStar. Well, we're always doing homeschool every day, and we do academics, but we also do a lot of projects, so I thought it would be fun to do a little compilation video so you could see what we've been up to. Let's go. Today we are studying history, and we're learning about the California Gold Rush. We're here outside of Los Angeles in Southern California, and so we're just getting some dirt and doing some gold panning, and let's talk about the California Gold Rush. Let's go. Nice today, this morning. Let's see how you do your gold panning.
Mom, you do it. You do it. That's a lot of dirty water.
Pretending that the hose is the creek. And this is real California dirt. So the gold is heavy and it goes to the bottom. So we shake it and the light stuff goes out. And then if there's any gold, it will go down to the bottom. Along with this heavier gravel and stuff.
I want to touch the gravel.
Yes.
Please move.
Here's the gravel.
Please move.
You see any? Look at all that gravel. And look at that right there. That looks like gold, but it's not. It's called fool's gold. It's pyrite. It's pyrite. But it's still fun. There's quartz in here. Gold is found in quartz veins. But I'd have to look really close and see if there's any gold. My dad used to bring us gold panning, and we used to find actual gold sometimes. That was cool. Can you paint it blue?
Wow.
Wow! Pretty.
Red,
Mm-hmm.
orange, yellow, orange, blue, indigo, purple.
Perfect!
Six plays piano. 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The question is our alphabet. A, apple. B, bowl. O, doll. Spoon. C, cake. D, sunshine. Yeah. Good cake talk. Number we violin and watermelon, when Otho was little, he even learned how to read very fast. His friends were there too. See? Oh, there's gold.
It's ready to come out. Brownie cake.
Go.
Thursday.
It's baking
Day. Hot still. And then we'll put M&Ms on it. Let's see. Oh, yeah. Put some on and eat some. There you go. What do you think? It's good.
Butterflies, spoons, the butterflies flying over. Let me talk to you about it.
Oh,
Okay.
it's adorable.
These are the butterflies. They look exactly like it. This
That's
is
a good cake.
This is the mountain and the lava.
The lava and the butterflies. This will be almond flour.
So I get the reason to lift. I need you to break it.
Let's see how you do it. almond flour here. We're going to try to make some cookies with it.
Making.
I put honey, vanilla, and some salt, and I'll put an egg and some buttermilk. What does it look like? Does it taste good? Oh, that's a good sign.
Eating mouse. Does it have nuts in it?
Nope. I'm going to put some...
Yeah.
Look what I just found. We made our own cupcakes.
Wait! Yummy, that looks tasty.
Here you go. You can each have one.
Yum, yum.
Oh yeah, we'll have to show. John Paul made his own alien project too.
Yum, yum. Me, I made it by myself.
You have to tell me if they taste good.
I want to try.
Mm-hmm.
Yes!
Mommy and Daddy can try that one. Oh, we abducted the cupcake. Wow, that's a healthy cupcake. Almond flour.
It's a tasty cupcake.
Now we're gonna make Johnny cakes.
Of course we are.
They're named after you. So we're gonna try to make the Journey cakes or Johnny cakes.
Johnny's.
Here's Johnny. And we're gonna make Johnny cakes with the cornmeal,
Gotta get it.
buttermilk, salt, baking soda, and then we're gonna fry them up like flapjacks to see what they taste like. You wanna try? This is what they ate a lot of times on the Oregon Trail.
No.
I got polenta, so I hope it's the right kind. It said cornmeal. I was like, well, polenta should work. So we're gonna find out if this pioneer food is tasty or if it's survival food.
What?
But there's a couple things we don't have. We don't have the bacon drippings and we don't have the molasses. So we might add something to sweeten it a little bit.
Like cookies?
Maybe a little honey.
No.
Something like that. We're gonna fry it and make like journey
Let me
cake.
watch my iPad.
Right now it tastes just like sand. So we're gonna let it set and maybe it will soften a little bit and then we're gonna fry it.
It looks like sand and we're baking sand.
It looks like sand and it tastes like sand.
And it's made of sand.
Yeah, corn sand.
No, it's made of sand.
Oh, real sand. Tastes like it. I put an egg because we don't have any bacon drippings. So maybe that will help it stay together.
Googie.
Look, it looks a little better.
Ew. Don't smell that. It smells horrible. I got a joke for you. It's a pretty good one.
Oh,
What?
look at this.
What?
Do you think this will taste any good?
Mom. What?
I thought it would look like a flapjack, but it doesn't. Cooking the Johnny cakes on the skillet. Now you have to imagine it's 4 o'clock in the morning and everyone has got their campfires going and their fires are being burnt using buffalo chips. And just imagine we're outside cooking these things.
I got a joke for you.
What is it?
What is the invisible color of the rainbow that nobody ever sees?
What is it?
White. Get it? Because of the clouds.
Yes. All right, let's see how they look when I flip them over. Okay, let's see. Oh, all right. That looks like something. It actually does have kind of a camping smell. Okay, so you get to try this and tell me, was the pioneer food good, tasty, or not?
It smells like... doesn't smell real good. It tastes like a pancake with sand inside.
Yeah, I think so too. This is our old Halloween house that we made out of old boxes.
I'm gonna get some tape.
Yeah. We found it in the garage and we're fixing it back up again.
Can this fit me still?
I don't think it ever really fit you. I think it's for like the table.
Not one of those, but I thought someone's gonna be a werewolf.
Someone's gonna be a werewolf?
Yes.
Someone else?
Yes.
Not you. Not you.
Now does it look spooky?
Yes. It looks really spooky. I like it. It's gonna be our decoration again this year, I guess.
A scared man.
A scary man?
A scared man.
Oh, a scared man?
Yeah.
Maybe if you draw one on a piece of paper, and then I can cut it out.
Okay.
What are you doing, Jumpa? Ooh, that's gonna look spooky. Yeah. Looks good.